Alright guys, here is the last page of the Unit 6 study guide, and the first section tells us to graph the following polygons and then calculate the length, width, perimeter, and area, and don't forget to label. So for our first one, went ahead and graphed 3, 2, so over 3 and up 2, and then 5, 2, so over 5 and up 2. There you go. And then 5, 7 over 5 and up 7, and then 3, 7 over 3 and up 7. When I counted the width, it was 2 units wide, and the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So for my perimeter, it's 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5, 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5, or 14 units. And then for my area is 2 times 5, or 10 square units. My next shape was 8, negative 3, so over to 8 and then down to negative 3, negative 8, negative 6, negative 8, negative 6 right there, then 8, negative 6 over here, and negative 6, and then negative 8, negative 3, so back to negative 8 and down to negative 3. When I counted these units up, I had a length of 16, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I had a width, I'm sorry, that's the, counted that as the width, and then the length as 1, 2, 3. All right, so 3 units and 16 units. When I add up 3 plus 3 plus 16 plus 16, I got 38 units around the side here, and then 3 times 16 was 48 square units. All right. Next section here, I needed to graph these 2 points, and then I needed a rectangle that gave me 12 units for the perimeter. In other words, the distance around the outside edge was going to be 12. So I graphed my 2 points of negative 6, 4, negative 6, and positive 4, and then negative 2 and positive 4. So I knew that this was 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So I knew that across from it would be another 4 units, meaning that I would need 2 units on each side for another 4 to get my 12 as the perimeter. So I graphed these 2 points or these 2 points to give me a rectangle that had a perimeter of 12. And those 2 points were either negative 6, 2 and negative 2, 2, or negative 6, 6 and negative 2, 6. So it was either these 2 points or these 2 points to give me a rectangle with a perimeter of 12. My last one here, I graphed these 2 points, 1, negative 2, and 8, negative 2. So 1, negative 2 here, and 8, negative 2 here. And then I knew that I needed an area of 21 units. So this line was 7 units long, which meant that I needed a width here of 3 units. And so I could go down 3 to give me this line, or up 3 to give me this line. And so either one of those points were either 1, negative 5 and 8, negative 5, or 1, 1 and 8, 1. So this is 1, 1, this is 8, 1, this is 1, negative 5, and this is 8, negative 5. And either one of these rectangles will give me an area of 21 units squared. All right, guys, that's it. We'll be taking our test over this material real soon.